We have all been there. A user installs sketchy software, changes critical registry entries, or contracts malware, causing an IT headache? Enter Deepfreeze by Phoronix. It operates by establishing an immutable system baseline. As long as that polar bear icon sits in your system tray, your core operating system files are safely locked away from permanent modifications. But how does it work dynamically without breaking your running system? When you install Deepfreeze, it positions itself between your operating system and the hard drives. When a user tries to modify a file, download an attachment, or change a setting, Deepfreeze intercepts the request. It clones the original hard drive location data map, redirects the write commands to an isolated workspace cache, and keeps the original system sectors untouched. To the user, everything looks normal, but they are writing to a digital sandbox. The true magic happens during a system restart. When the computer shuts down, Deepfreeze simply commands the allocation table to completely drop and disregard the temporary allocation cache. It clears all temporary references instantly. When the system boots back up, it reads exclusively from the pristine green data blocks again. Ransomware, custom browser settings, and accidental file deletions vanish, restoring 100% endpoint stability instantly. Of course, admins still need to install updates occasionally. To modify the baseline, you call upon the hidden system interface using hotkeys like this. You just need to hold Shift and double-click the tray icon. Enter your secure password here. Once logged in, you'll see the options: boot frozen. By switching the system parameter from boot frozen to boot thawed, the system allows real, permanent writes, enabling patches to bake into your next secure baseline image. Here is the actual video of how Deepfreeze Reboot to Restore works.